I know, I hate to say we're back, but we're back again. And say hi, Michael.
Hi.
Michael's over there, he says hi. Amaya's not with us today, so she'll probably be here tomorrow. We'll catch her on the next video so you get a chance to see her. But it's beautiful out. It's Labor Day and the park is winding down now. So kind of we are too. Getting ready for the fall. School is running, doing well. Michael's doing well. Second week, going into his third week, and he's doing great.
I know, it's time for me to say something. I keep telling him I just can't talk like that. I'm not an impulse talker.
Yes, he is.
No,
yes,
I'm
he
not.
is.
No, I'm not.
He'll talk.
You got to have something to say before you say it. You know what I mean?
Well,
But anyway, she's back. And I guess I'm back.
yeah, and Michael's back. All right, what else is going on? Actually, thank God the RV has been okay. The air conditioning ran great during the summer.
That was the only thing need to be right.
Yeah, actually.
Because we're not going no place.
No, not right now. Maybe next year. Maybe next year. It just we got settled in. COVID was kind of running rampant, not around here, but just in our nation, and we didn't want to be running, not knowing where we were going. So. But we will go back to Shipshewana. I love Shipshewana. It's nice, Amish country, and it's just good food. Good food, quiet, and it's beautiful.
So, we did have one issue. Batteries died.
Oh, yes.
So we had to buy new batteries.
Turn on the RV and nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Then we had to make a new step because my son, he likes to jump out the door. Bent the step. So
Not
we
the
had to
first time.
We had to make a step.
Not the second time.
Which he made. Came out nice.
Yeah, actually, he did a very good job. He built the box for it.
And that's about it, really.
Yeah, it's just been quiet, and I'm enjoying it, Having nice Bible study time at night with everyone, and sometimes I get a little grumps with it, but not all the time. I enjoy it a lot. So, I was getting ready to say something. Yeah, with the RV, when you are going all the time, those things, we were keeping up with the maintenance with the RV a lot better than when you sit still. And you sit still and you just you just assumed that it would start, and it did not start. So we only had to change the front battery. The other batteries are okay, right?
They should be charging up, right?
Yeah.
We're supposed to start the generator up, but somebody never get up on time.
I get up on time. I get up on time.
They want to do it
I
at
get up on my
evening
time.
when it should be ran in the morning.
Michael over there stomping at me. What?
I like to do things in the morning.
He
but
knows
you
I
have
don't
to
like
shut
to get up
everything
early.
down to run the generator.
Yeah.
So to run off the generator, everything run off the generator, and let
Yeah.
it run for about 4 hours. But somebody don't get up early enough to do that anymore.
Well, we'll do that tomorrow.
Huh.
We'll do that. Yeah.
Ah.
Nothing else really going on right now. Just kind of hanging out, enjoying ourselves, and I love this weather right now. It's not too hot. It was in the 90s there earlier, and this is like high 70s right now. We have our shade, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, we just wanted to say hello. We will be back. I might show you some of the generator, what we did with the generator, see how that starts up.
Hopefully good.
Yes, we did get that taken care of last year. We get maintenance. We had that done every year. This is the first year we have it, so it should work. It should work. So we'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.